Hey, my loveliest buddies! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today we will be stepping into the magical world of Oz and get to know which Wicked's character matches your soul the most. We're talking Elphaba level power, Glinda level sparkle. So stay sharp, trust your instincts, and don't forget to comment your answers as we go. All right, Slicer, which part of Oz would you rather live? The Munchkin Land, Quadling Country, Emerald City, Winky Country, or the Shiz University? Next up, what is your favorite all-time loving color? And what does your favorite color say about you? Tell us in the comment below. If you were born inside the Oz world, which character would you rather be the most? Which Wicked song touches your heart the most? Grab your favorite one right now. What would you describe yourself in just one word? Who would you rather be remembered as? To be known as the Wizard of Oz, or want everyone to remember you as the Wicked Witch? At school, what's your go-to subject? The one you'd ace every time you face the exam. Which characters from Wicked would you partner up with? What is your ideal dream plan for a fully free weekend? All right, Slicer, choose this wisely. Would you rather never have a free weekend, or just like this video and comment your favorite moment of it? All right, back to business. What is your must-have item before you step out of your house? Who is your Oz favorite? This really tells a lot about your vibe. How about your friend group? Pick the group vibe that feels exactly like your friends. Pick your role in the Oz world. Let's keep your mind sharp and help me out with this. Where is the odd Elphaba emoji here? Aha! There it is. Honestly, I didn't get it right. How about you? How do you act at school? Tell us your vibe. Who would you choose to be your soulmate? Is it Bach, the Wizard, Elphaba, Glinda, or Madame Morrible? Which challenge of Oz sounds the most exciting to you? Be honest here, Slicers. How do you handle your class assignments? Which magical pet below here matches your energy? If you scored less than 299 points, you're Bach. Sweet-hearted, loyal, and quietly brave. You're the kind of person who always tries your best, even when things get overwhelming. People sometimes overlook you, but your kindness runs deep, and your devotion to the people is real and steady. Never underestimate yourself. You matter more than you know. If you scored between 299 and 399 points, you're Nessarose. Tender strength, gentle loyalty, and a heart that feels deeply. That's you. People might underestimate you at first, but your devotion is powerful and unwavering. Your world is shaped by feeling, longing, and quiet courage. If you scored between 400 and 599 points, you're Elphaba. Strong-willed, unapologetically yourself, and burning with passion. Your spirit doesn't bend for anyone. When misunderstood, you fight for what's right, no matter the cost. You're fierce, magical, brave, and destined for something bigger than you know. If you scored between 600 and 699 points, you're Fiyero. Fearless charm with a hidden depth, you're confident, calm, and stronger than people realize. You move through life with an easy stride, but underneath that smooth exterior is a heart that feels fiercely and loves fully. You're the kind of soul who grows, who changes, and who loves with conviction. If you scored between 700 and 850 points, you're Glinda. Bright, warm, and full of light, you make the world around you feel lifted, calmer, and more alive. People are drawn to you naturally. They feel safe in your presence, inspired by your optimism, and strengthened by your kindness. You're thoughtful, hopeful, and filled with the kind of goodness that changes people simply by being there. Round 2. Would you rather? Would you rather have a Glinda house style or Elphaba house style? Next up, who would you rather be friends with? You like Elphaba or Glinda more? Soundtrack sound check. Which Wicked? For Good Song hits your heart the hardest. No Place Like Home or Thank Goodness?
But there's no place like home.
Just a word.
Ooh, here comes another. Would you rather meet Elphaba and her crew or hang out with Dorothy and her iconic friends? Man, I would love to be friends with both of them. Uh-oh, would you rather become a flying monkey or just drop a comment with your favorite wicked character? This one is an easy pick, right? Which title would you rather carry throughout the Oz? Glinda the Good or the legendary Wicked Witch? Which one would you rather watch more than the other? Wicked for Good or the full Wicked live musical? Here's another magical one choice. Which gaming room would you rather have? Glinda's glamorous style or Elphaba's dark academia energy? It's hard, but I think I like the Elphaba one more. How about you? It's time for the Twisted Cone Test. Would you rather dance just like Bach and Nessarose's, or you love that Glinda and Elphaba's iconic duet dance more? Would you rather have an evil witch nose or just easily support this video by smashing the like button? Ew, I personally don't want that nose at all. Which magic ability would you want to have in your life? Is it to fly high on a broom or just float gracefully inside Glinda's bubble? Wow, romance time. Who would you choose to be your ideal boyfriend? Mr. Fiyero or our friendly Bach? Bedroom dreams. Is your type the Glinda's pink sparkle bunk bed or the Elphaba's emerald enchantment bunk bed? Next up, choose your one and only Wicked anthem between these two songs. Defying Gravity or Popular?
You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've.
Gotta go with both. Don't mind me. All right, personality check. Would you choose to be pretty but selfish or ugly but smart? What's your vibe in Oz? Would you rather live in Munchkin Land or stay in the gorgeous Emerald City? Okay now, do you want to study with a normal teacher or would love to have a goat professor guiding your magic? Fashion checker. Would you wear this Elphaba dress or these Glinda dress? Who do you think has the better performance? Cynthia Erivo's Elphaba or Ariana Grande's Glinda? I think they both did fantastic, no? Love triangle moment. Do you like Fiyero with Glinda or do you love Fiyero and Elphaba more? Which couple are you rooting for? Would you rather? Thanks for always playing with us on Quiz Slice. You absolutely rocked today. Are you satisfied? Or did the description match your style at all? If you enjoyed the magic, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quizzes. See you in the next adventure. Quiz Slice out.